Okay, and we're back to the second part of the program for the vaka races this morning, and we have the open women and the students together. Unfortunately, there are only 4 of them, so they've decided to put everyone together. So we have Micah Fuhiniu, Pauline Rex, Juliana Tongahai, and Isabella Fuhiniu. We don't see Jade Pusimani there, so I think she's not at the starting line there. But we are just about to start the race. They are going to go down to Leina, which is closer than what the men did, and turn around and come back to see who is going to be the winner. But last year I think it was Micah Fuhiniu that took that race. But it'll be interesting to see this year. We have a couple more new competitors. We know the Fuhiniu girls have always dominated this event every year, but let's see what's going to happen this year. Ko mata foi e tau langa baka e tau whiwhine ma tam ke nanga ono te ke to whāni alo tau ko hoko mai ke he laini ko mga hone ono te ke ko mai ka nā ne tuia e pink ai loko ngoi pink pa niui ni ngai whi pink a niui ko ke he hana a whahe ki lalo ko pela ko hana se hina ia ko pela Fuhiniu ke tolua ki ko Pauline Rex ke whae ki ko Juliana Tongahai. Kai lali ngai ani alo tolu ke kamata e langa nei. Ke ko langa ke ua ke nei tonga ni he whakai loa ate tanga komari ka o se alo tolu taha foki e langa ke lata ia mo tau masters ko lo tolu ka whang fulu. Kamata toi he mga ne e alo tolu langa. Whakatoi foki ni alo tolu poke whanei ni foki ni alo tolu kamatanga. Ono ke ko Isabella nane mawhisi lohi hana alo. Isabella, ua ki a Micah, tolua ki a Juliana, mai whae ki a Pauline, ka e loanga ia e matakawi ki o alo tolu ki e viko mai ai, he tau poe i lauri ko white poe ka molea ki leina tolu liu mai, ka mawhisi lohi aloa na ka mata i ko Isabella mo Micah Fuhiniu. And a good start there by Isabella and Micah. They've taken off. But as you heard, there's still quite a way to go. And after Isabella, there's Micah, then Juliana and Pauline Rex. Ono te kei, kua mawhisia tu foki Micah Fuhiniu ki mua, tu uai Isabella, tolua ki Juliana, moi whae ki Pauline Rex. O tolu ki wiko mai he fitu e poi. He ndakawina i leaina. Tau liliu mai alo tolu ke wafu ke whakausi ai e langa halo tolu tau whanau whiwhine. And it's going to be a very hot day, I think, and the sun has certainly come out. Unlike when we arrived, there were a few clouds, so it's going to be a scorching day, especially for the rat races that are due to happen this afternoon. And there's always plenty of excitement there. But looking at what we have here, we have the student boys coming up after this race. So right now we have Micah Fuhiniu in pink right there in the front with Isabella in white. And we have Juliana behind them, as well as Pauline Rex. Nga mawhisi lohi e whadro e do whānau whiwhine ia Fuhiniu. Rona tolu ki he tahe posi ko nane tū mai lalo mātua ko e mtakawia ka watalo tolu ki viko mai ai. E halo tolu a tau vaka, mi viko mai ai si tolu liu mai. Ko ka whoki ni e alaua i tuana he tu tolu mo tu fa ko lo ko Juliana mo Pauline. Iwa tatai ni lawa tau tutuang he mga tunu ni. Ko kisia ko mena ke inga mena ke Maika mo Isabella ke fuluhi mai ke liliu mai ke wafo ko viko to e lawa e poine matahiku he langa tau fifini. Tatalahi a lawa tau vaka he mga nei. Kai kisia fo ke linko paua na falata ko finatu ke viko halalalo. Viko tatalai fo ke ni e vaka la e tau langa lo tau kako. Juliana na ko finatu mga tonu nei ke viviko mai hana a vaka ke liu mai ke he wafo. Ka ko kisia a lawa toa na ko Maika mo Isabella haine o mai mo a lawa I mua. And at this stage, Juliana has just turned around her canoe. We have Maika and Isabella way in front here. They're really turned around. We're having a little bit of a problem over there, I think, because Pauline is coming to turn the other way. In fact, they've all decided to. They've all turned. But it looks like the Fuhinu girls are dominating this race anyway. But we could have an upset at the end. Who knows with these things? Okay, the last turn is Pauline Ricks. She's just made a turn. So we have Maika Fuhinu, Isabella Fuhinu, and then we have Juliana Tonghai in third place. And we have Pauline Ricks in fourth place. This is going to be an exciting finish, I think, because the two sisters are going to battle it out. We also have up for grabs this year. We have a return ticket for New Zealand, from what we heard, for the Open Men and the Open Women. So this will be very interesting for the two little ones that are looking like they're going to be finishing first. Tunga ni hana me am tolu kei tō tahe ma fisa whata oi mua koe tau kensi ko Maika mo hana se hina ko Isabella. Ma maula he viko a pau halata ko ma maula he I ki tua he ai tata mai ka ke he viko nei ke lau tolu nei ni ko o mai ma mau hana viko I tunga tam da kau ni viviko mai ni lo tole he pai ko I long ka ko hiki doi whakatase mga nei ko hai pela fuhini ko ia he mga nei ni ko hauki mua si tuai hana a tau kese ko Maika mo I tutolo ngai ni Juliana. That's Bella Fuhiniu coming in first place. We can't really see it at this time, but yes, we can see Bella Fuhiniu coming in at first place. Second is her sister Maika, but Bella is doing really well. She is going to take this race, I think. There she is. She's started really fast. And her sister managed to push in front of her, but she's managed to finish really well here and pretty fast paddling there from young Isabella Fuhiniu. I'm not quite sure how old she is, but I think she's quite young. So she's going to be she has taken that race for 2010. Congratulations to you, Bella Fuhiniu. And followed by Maika, her sister, her older sister Maika there. Who has managed second placing. Excellent run there for Bella and Maika. We still have second and third placings to go. We have we have Juliana. It's very hard to see as well because the trees in the front here, it's blocking our access to filming the last couple of competitors. But it does. It looks like Juliana is going to take third place. And Pauline fourth place. Haya kwa tuua Maika, go to e tama fine tose ne tose lahana tau gilote langavaka, go to e sapela fui niu tuua Maika fui niu, tu tolu a Juliana tonga hai ko ia e fuata leo leo to tahe mafole do langa fuki hana ko e ramula e kisia ia ke langavaka, si to tahe malolo ke alohana vaka, kua hoko toia ia ki mtahiko mo tangi ia pu kua tutolo ia mo haia e fuata fifini ia totolo ko pau haia ia ne haia ia kua amanaka ia whanga ke tuwha ka mamau lai foki ni hana a viko ke he poi I lungi ko whangata linga na ia ne kua tō muia ia ke viko mo e taha matakau I mua ka ko Pauline Rex anei ko hoko mo ia ke tuwha ke he langa wake tau whine hawhagi ke tau whine osi mai ua awhi mo hong fulu ke lata ia mo tau nei kai ua o ke foki ko amdaki ke whataka tu foki e langa waka ke lata ia mo tau whanau tāne tau whanau he ang toko longa po tau whanau tāne linga toko ono lo toro ko ono no toko toko fitu ko ono no ke kamatai e langa waka ia ai hana te tolu fuata fi fine whakahiku ko Pauline Rex ko hoko mai toia ia ke whakausi hana a langa mo tuwha ia ke langa waka tuwha ia ke langa waka ke he tau uawhi mahong fulu. And congratulations to all the women and the girls who took part in the vaka race for the open women and the students. For this year, we have Pauline Rex coming in to finish, and she's taken fourth place.